आदाब नाजरीन, न्यूज़ 16 डिजिटल में आप सभी का खैर मकदम है। शहर बेंगलोर में सेंट थॉमस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल में 40th एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेशन के मौके पर यूफोरिया सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी प्रोग्राम का कामयाब अंदाज में इनेकाद। 3 फरवरी 2025 बरोज पीर कनका नगर में कायम सेंट थॉमस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल में 40th एनुअल डे सेलिब्रेशन को मनाते हुए यूफोरिया सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी प्रोग्राम को बड़े ही खूबसूरत अंदाज में मुनक्किद किया गया, जिसमें चीफ गेस्ट के तौर पर कई सारी मुआज़्ज़िज़ शख्सियात ने शिरकत फरमाई, जैसे कि प्रेसिडेंट डीसीसी बैंगलोर नॉर्थ अब्दुल बाजिद, प्रेसिडेंट वी नागनाहल्ली वार्ड डी मुनिरामू, प्रेसिडेंट यूथ कांग्रेस हेब्बाल ब्लॉक पुनीत कुमार एस, डीसीसी मेंबर श्री सरवना, इंस्पेक्टर ऑफ एक्साइज वसीम शिराज अहमद, एजुकेशन कोऑर्डिनेटर बैंगलोर कर्नाटका प्रवीण कुमार, ट्रस्टी सेंट थॉमस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल मिस्टर बशीर अहमद, चेयरमैन सेंट थॉमस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल मिस्टर असलम बाशा, सेक्रेटरी सेंट थॉमस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल मिस्टर बी नौशीर इरफान, प्रेसिडेंट हानी ग्रुप अमीर अफरोज, प्रिंसिपल सेंट थॉमस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल मिसेस नौरीन बेगम, वेल विशर सेंट थॉमस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल मिस्टर अमजद अहमद, ट्रस्टी सेंट थॉमस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल मिस्टर मोहम्मद सऊद, मिसेस दिलनाज बेगम और मिसेस शमशाद बेगम ने यहाँ शिरकत फरमाई। इस शानदार प्रोग्राम में बेहतरीन पेरेंट्स को बेस्ट पेरेंट्स अवार्ड से नवाजा गया, जैसे कि स्टूडेंट एलिजा और आलिया शेख एलसी जेसी के पेरेंट्स मुजम्मिल जान और मुनज़ीरा, अफना फातिमा एलसी, 7J के पेरेंट्स सैयद निसार अहमद SJ और हीना कौसर, स्टूडेंट रेशम ल्यूटिल STEHS के पेरेंट राजियन ल्यूटिल, मिनसा फातिमा STEHS के पेरेंट्स नूरुल्लाह खान और सलमा बानू, शाहिद अहमद STEHS के पेरेंट नवीद अहमद खान, सुकन्या SETSH के पेरेंट M वेंकटेश, साथ ही अरकम STEHS के पेरेंट मोहम्मद नवाज और अर्शिया को यहाँ बेस्ट पेरेंट्स अवार्ड से नवाजा गया। साथ ही बता दिया जाए कि इस प्रोग्राम में फूड कार्निवल विनर्स को भी अवार्ड तकसीम किए गए, जैसे कि फर्स्ट प्राइज हासिल करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स के नाम कुछ इस तरह से हैं। 5th स्टैंडर्ड से मोहम्मद रिदवान आहिल खान, साथ ही मोहम्मद अरसलान और मोहम्मद मुहीद। 6th स्टैंडर्ड से ईमान सैमुअल, सदफ नाज, साथ ही 7th स्टैंडर्ड से मिनसा खानम और हबीबा। 9th स्टैंडर्ड से शेख तौकीर अहमद, आफ्ताब अंसारी, सैयद इस्माइल और मोहम्मद साहिल। 10th स्टैंडर्ड से फौजिया, आंचल गुप्ता, सोहा खान, मिसबा, आरिफ खान और मोहम्मद अतीकुर रहमान ने फूड कार्निवल में फर्स्ट प्राइज हासिल किया। फूड कार्निवल कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करके सेकंड प्राइज हासिल करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स का नाम है 4th स्टैंडर्ड से सैयद मुशीद, सैयद आफरीन, मोहम्मद इस्माइल जाकिर, फुरकान खान और ओम प्रकाश। 5th स्टैंडर्ड से सेकंड प्राइज हासिल करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स के नाम हैं संदीप, हुदा फातिमा, अब्दुल सुबहान और 6th स्टैंडर्ड से प्राइज हासिल करने वाले खुशनसीब बच्चों के नाम हैं शीलावती और सुमेरा खानम। 4th स्टैंडर्ड से मोहम्मद माविया पाशा और साथ ही बता दिया जाए कि 7th स्टैंडर्ड से सेकंड प्राइज हासिल करने वाले खुशनसीब बच्चों के नाम हैं अरबिया बानू और फातिमतुल हिना। 8th स्टैंडर्ड से सेकंड प्राइज हासिल करने वाले बच्चों के नाम हैं आयशा, कौसर और समर शेख। और 9th स्टैंडर्ड से सेकंड प्राइज मोहम्मद आतिफ ने हासिल किया। नाजरीन को यह भी बता दिया जाए कि फूड कार्निवल कंपटीशन में 3rd प्राइज हासिल करने वाले बच्चों के नाम कुछ इस तरह से हैं। 4th स्टैंडर्ड से सियोन जॉन जोसेफ लक्ष्मी, 7th स्टैंडर्ड से सैयद अजीज और उम्मे रुकैया, 8th स्टैंडर्ड से दीपेश अहमान और जैनब कौसर, जबकि 9th स्टैंडर्ड से पल्लवी और शेख उमर राखिब ने 3rd प्राइज हासिल किया। आखिर में बता दिया जाए कि यहाँ पर स्कूल के जिम्मेदारान के साथ असातिज़ा, टीचर्स और कसीर तादाद में स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स और उनके वालिदैन ने शिरकत फरमाई और सभी हाजरीन ने अपनी खुशी को जाहिर करते हुए ये स्कूल मैनेजमेंट, फैकल्टी और टीचर्स के कामों की खूब तारीफ की और उनके इस बेहतरीन प्रोग्राम को बड़ा पसंद किया। आइए देखते और जानते हैं इस प्रोग्राम की मजीद तफसील।
Yes, cheer up for them audience. Give them a big round of applause.
गाड़ी वाला सबसे कतराने का गाड़ी वाला मस्ती ना पाए कभी तेरी बातें बिन मांगे ये जहां पा लिया की दौलत बस इतना ही जानूं जिनके केसों में चांदी और दिल में सोना.
Good evening everyone, I am Sandeep from class. We hope you are all ready for a night full of energy and excitement.
Hey, I'm Papa from class 5. That's right, Sandeep. Tonight we are bringing you something special. Our salsa dance performance. It's going to be full of vigorous passion and some serious footwork.
Oh yes Rafa, salsa is all about connection and energy. What do you think Rafa?
Exactly, Sandeep. Salsa is all about feeling the beat. Let it go and just having fun with it.
For sure, and what I love about salsa is how blend different. There is a little bit of African jazz and even Malvo. We are mixing all for the tonight performance.
Exactly, and it's not just about the steps. It's about the chemistry between the dancer too. Are you ready to see some sizzling moves?
Get in to feel the rhythm and enjoy the flow. So without further delay, let's take you on a salsa journey.
Let's turn up the heat and dance the night away. Enjoy the performance, everyone.
Here we go, let's salsa.
A beacon of strength. Together we ignite our light. Our strength, our voice, roar.
Our teachers are the backbone of our success. Their dedication, commitment, and passion for teaching are what make a school truly special. They don't just teach subjects, they inspire and motivate students to do their best, to think critically and to approach challenges with confidence. I am deeply grateful to our teachers for the endless hours they put into their work, often going above and beyond to ensure the success of our students. In addition to our teachers, the cooperation of our parents has been instrumental in our growth. The strong partnership between parents and school plays a crucial role in shaping our students into well-rounded individuals. The encouragement and trust you provide are invaluable, and we are thankful for your continued support. Thank you to all the parents who have gathered here, have put all the efforts. Your children are my children and they belong to St. Thomas. I, the principal, promise every parent and a student here I will deliver the best, the quality education and the support system to all my parents and to the students. Thank you.
Beautiful career. I have very few words to suggest here. Drugs. Drugs does not contain all the things here. The first and foremost is the drug starts with the tobacco here. I would like to say a few words to, especially to the parents here. Consumption of drugs. I would like to divide the part of the drugs here in 4 parts. Why do people consume drugs? The effects of drugs on a human body and how shall we prevention of drugs. The most important thing is a college student. Why does he consume drugs? He doesn't do well in the exam. Someone who is not doing well in his exam. Stress from parents. The kind of parents giving them stress and especially the peer pressure. It starts with a small thing. Like his friends will say, let's go for a smoke. It will release your stress. You would have heard it. If some person is in stress, he will definitely go for a smoke. He will say like, I will just have a smoke and it will release my stress. The thing starts from there. If a person starts smoking, the next stage it will be like tobacco is there, consumption of tobacco, cigarette. Later on, the availability of the drugs has become so rampant in our society that no one is able to understand it. Even if some person smokes or drinks alcohol, you can recognize from the smell. If some person has taken drugs, you won't be able to recognize it for a very long time. By the time you understand, he would be already addicted to it. The better thing here is for the parents to watch for their children, where they are going after the school, after the college, who their friends are. Create a safe environment for the children to talk freely to their parents. Give some free space to children to talk freely. Whatever they are facing, what kind of friends they are having, who they are going out, what time they are spending with the friends. Watch out for them. Give some free space for
40 years a long way. And I see a lot of parents here, most of them from Hebron Assembly. On behalf of our minister, Paiti Suresh, I wish you all the best. He couldn't come because he has got his son marriage. Since the annual day function, all the parents are sitting here to see the children perform. I don't think so. We want to listen to the politicians. Because this is a day all the parents make their children dress up to see what they have there inside. अपना हिडन टैलेंट जो बच्चे यहाँ पर दिखाते हैं उसको आजमाने के लिए आप लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं। मैं ज्यादा वक्त आपका लूंगा नहीं, और लेकिन हम लेट आ चुके हैं, मैं माफी चाहता हूँ। Few things I want to address. The main issue today is for itself. They are all on the social media. They are on the WhatsApp, they are on the Instagram, they are on the Facebook. And many of the children are diverting themselves. Our Wasim Bhai will agree with me. You see, a lot of youngsters are going behind drugs. Need of the hour is to see, check balance of children. हमारा बच्चा सवेरे कहाँ जाता है, किससे मिलता है, स्कूल में जाता है, नहीं जाता है, स्कूल से आने के बाद कहाँ तक जाता है, किसी से मिलता है, नहीं मिलता है। बहुत ही गंभीर इशू है, वेरी सीरियस इशू। We are seeing throughout our state, Bangalore, and especially in Mumbai, a lot of youngsters are diverting themselves towards sex matter. Today morning, I was seeing one small clip. They have got candy packets. Candy packets. It's so nice. Anybody will offer to the children. It's mixed with drugs. Request to parents to tell आप अपने बच्चों से बताएं कि कोई भी गैर आदमी अगर आपके पास आएगा, बच्चों को कैंडी देगा, तो उसे इग्नोर करेगा। I'm circulating that in all the groups. It is very grey issue we are facing today. When it is record hitting them, somebody's parents and the children developing and extra. तो बहुत ही
I principal of St. Thomas English High School. आज जो एनुअल डे हुआ हमारा 48th एनुअल डे, ये जो स्कूल की बुनियाद है 1987 से शुरू हुई। लाइक एज अ न्यू मैनेजमेंट हम लोग आए 2019 में, बट वी कंटिन्यू द लीगेसी। वी हैड स्टूडेंट्स हु आर स्टडिंग फ्रॉम नर्सरी एंड टुडे दे आर इन 10th standard. So with lot of efforts, with lot of dedication and hard work of the teachers, support of the management, Aslam sir and Irfan sir and I principal, we have always dedicated ourselves towards the hard work to give quality education, to make sure that each child is given proper ethics, discipline, and also teach them the moral values along with the good education. I started my career with Little Champs in JC Nagar as a small Montessori. We have that from past 12 years. Then we came into St. Thomas and it's been 5 years. And also a Little Champs in 7th Cross as a Montessori from past 2 years. So we altogether have 3 branches.
One of the successful events which I watched my 40th annual day was watched the
Aaj ka to I think you are the witness, sole witness of today's day. All this could happen only by the efforts of teachers and the dedication by the parents. Parents supported us, parents trusted us, and the hard work done by the teachers made this annual day a successful one. I thank the parent, the students, and my staff for making this show a successful one. And inshallah, we will do even more best. We promise our teachers, the students, that we will support as management to them in the coming years and give the quality service.
And today, Corporate Abdul Wajid Bhai said our school is comparatively Florence School, Ordinary Public School, is subset of education भी अच्छा और fee structure भी अच्छा।
I'm very much thankful to Abdul Wajid Sahab. He's told a very remarkable words. I wish and I hope that we also match the presidency school, the values, the ethics, the quality service. We are also trying our best and inshallah we will deliver the best and keep up the trust of all the dignitaries who spoke about our school today, who told the parents that we are doing our best. Inshallah, we'll keep up his words and the coming years also we will give a good service to our parents and students.
Also, today you had a great day.
Thank you. Yes.
Father is
Yes. These two are the strong pillars of the principal of St. Thomas English High School. I wouldn't have been standing here without the support of my father and the support of my husband. These two people have always supported me. They've always been there to guide me, to make my vision, to make my dream come true. I thank my father and my husband for making this a very successful thing. I think a special thank to my husband. He's been an example, like, you know, ایک عورت اگر ترقی کرنا چاہتی ہے تو سب سے پہلے جو انسان کی جو یہ ہے وہ اپنے باپ کی بہت بڑی ہمت ہوتی ہے. اس کے بعد اس کی پوری ذمہ داری کندھے پہ اپنے شوہر پہ آتی ہے. اینڈ باخوبی سے مائی ہسبینڈ ہیز آلویز بین اے بگ سپورٹ ٹو می. تھینک یو سو مچ.
First of all, thank you to cover this whole occasion for us for St. Thomas English School and for Little Champs. Before I could start, I'd like to say the most important person who made this event to happen, which no one would have dreamt, which we have been doing for the past couple of years, that is Ms. Naureen Begum. She has been the pillar of this complete organization right from the start, from Montessori till the 10th standard. I'm very happy and blessed to have Naureen as my wife and as the principal for the school, which not only brings in the best of education, also provides a very affordable education in the whole area of Kanakanagar. Having said so, we have received tremendous response from the students, teachers, parents, and also from the political heads, which we are really thankful, and I would like to extend my gratitude and would continue to serve the society with a quality education. Also, I'd like to thank the trustee members, Mr. Aslam Basha and Mr. Mohammed Saud, who have been there right from the start, and they have been providing and extending their support, which will continue for a long period of time till we have as our school as the #1 school for the whole of the city.
میں بس 48 اینیول ڈے کا شکر یہ ہے، مجھے بہت خوشی ہوئی. دوسری بات کیا ہے کہ آئی ایم ویلکم فار آور گیسٹ دوز ہو کم اینڈ سپورٹ فار آور فنکشن. اینڈ آئی ایم ویری پراؤڈ ٹو مائی ڈاٹر اینڈ مائی سن ان لا. دے آر doing hard work for the school, for the children, and the parents are so happy for this event. Thank you very much.
First of all, Alhamdulillah that the entire day went really good. So the efforts from the teachers and ourselves is always there for the students' welfare. But even the parents, they came forward and let their students, participate in whatever the events we had planned for it. And Alhamdulillah, everything went good. So as a management, it is our motive every time that we deliver our best for the sake of the students and for their welfare. Right, we will continue to flourish, and we will continue to do better for the school, better for the students in the coming years as well. Also, we will try to bring up more innovative and more things for the betterment of the students. Inshallah, we need your blessings and we need your support. And I think everything went really very, very good. So yeah, I'm very thankful for that. Thank you so much.